I gained over 70,000 followers in 1 month on Instagram, and I was gaining about 3,000 to 4,000 followers every single day using this strategy. Shout out to this person who commented on my last YouTube video and also shared on their Instagram stories and tagged me that they were watching my YouTube video. If you want to get a shout out on the next YouTube video, just comment below and also post on your Instagram stories and tag me that you're watching this YouTube video so I can give you a shout out. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to grow your Instagram in 2021. These are all organic strategies as well, so none of my strategies include bots or buying fake followers or the follow unfollow strategy. I really suggest watching this entire YouTube video today because I'm not going to hold back in value at all, and each step is very crucial to growing your Instagram in 2021. The first tip is to create a series on your Instagram stories. Now, the reason that you want to post it on your Instagram stories is because your stories expire after 24 hours. This means that your audience needs to follow you in order to consistently get the valuable content that you're going to post on your Instagram stories. Now, I'm going to break this down for you. First, I'm going to explain why you should be creating a series on your Instagram stories. Second, I'm going to give you some exact tips that I have used. And third, I'm going to explain how you can get more viewers watching your Instagram stories to increase your views. So don't worry, even if you have a small following or even if you have a lot of followers but people aren't watching your stories, I'm going to show you exactly how to get more views on my Instagram stories. So you want to create a series, whether that's a weekly series or a daily series. The reason why you want to create a series is because it gives people a reason to come back to your profile and to check out your profile to get that valuable information that you're going to post on your Instagram stories. Now, there are 3 important things that you need to know when you're creating an Instagram series for your stories. The first thing is that your series needs to be related to your niche. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you need to be posting fitness related content on your Instagram stories. It makes it really confusing for your audience if you're posting different types of content on your Instagram stories or anywhere on your Instagram page. The second thing your series needs is consistency. So even if you can't post every single day on your Instagram stories, then commit to posting every week on your Instagram stories for this particular series. I suggest posting at least once a week for this series on your Instagram stories, but that doesn't count all the other stuff that you should be posting on your Instagram stories and that you should be posting every day. But for this particular series, you should be posting at least once every single week. This way, if you do once a week for your series, you won't be running out of content. And for the more advanced Instagram users, feel free to do it more than once a week. Just to let you know, what I did was I posted an Instagram story series every single day for 1 whole month. And this is the biggest reason why I have gained over 70,000 followers in 1 month. But like I said, if you're not ready to post on your Instagram stories every single day, then maybe once a week is good for your page. So what I would do if I were in your position and you were trying to plan out your Instagram series for your Instagram stories, and let's say your goal is to post every single day for an entire month. So write down on a piece of paper numbers 1 to 30 and see if you can come up with 30 different topics that are related to your specific niche. And after you've written down all your topics, and let's say you've only gotten 20 topics down and you want to do it once a month, well, that's great still, because you still have 5 months worth of content if you're going to post every single week. The third thing that you need to keep in mind when you're creating your series is high quality content. So of course, when you're writing down your list of ideas for your Instagram stories, let's say you're going to do it every day, so you need 30 ideas for 1 month. So when you're writing down your 30 ideas, every single idea needs to be high quality. This doesn't mean that, you know, if you're just filling out 1 to 30, that you can just throw out random mediocre topics just to hit your number goal. You're better off replacing a mediocre or okay topic with a better high quality topic, or just taking it out completely. So this is why I suggest if you're just starting out, you should be posting a weekly Instagram stories instead of a daily Instagram stories, because when I was doing my daily Instagram stories, I was providing high quality content every single day, and it was a more advanced approach. Okay, so now that I've taught you what to post on your Instagram stories, now I'm going to teach you how to drive more traffic and to get more people watching your Instagram stories so that your hard work doesn't go to waste. The first tip to drive more traffic and more views to your Instagram stories is to simply put it in your Instagram bio. For example, if you're in the makeup niche, simply type in your Instagram bio watch my Instagram stories for more makeup tips, or watch my stories for a new makeup hack every single Monday. You want to make sure that you include which day you're going to post on your Instagram stories so that your audience knows what day to check your Instagram stories. The second tip to increase views on your Instagram stories is to put it in the caption of your feed post. With the way that the Instagram algorithm works, not everyone who sees your feed post will see your Instagram stories, or the other way around. So not everyone that sees your Instagram stories will see your feed post. So what you want to do is you want to provide value in your Instagram feed post or your Instagram reels, and in the caption also write, watch my Instagram stories for more tips, for more blank. So insert your niche and more tips. So if you're in the fitness niche again, you want to say, watch my Instagram stories for more fitness tips. I post a new fitness tip on my Instagram stories every single Monday. The reason why you want to put this in your Instagram bio is that every time a new person visits your page, and maybe this is someone that's not following you, or maybe this is someone that is following you, but they haven't watched your stories in a long time, either way, you want to put this in your bio, because when someone reads this and visits your profile, they're going to remind themselves to watch your Instagram stories, because you're going to be posting valuable information on your Instagram stories. This way, if it's a new follower that's visiting your page, they're more likely to follow you, because again, Instagram stories expire, so they want to be reminded to watch your Instagram stories, and so you have a higher chance of someone following you when you put this in your Instagram bio. In your Instagram captions, you also want to remind people that your stories expire after 24 hours. So maybe it's a new person that just came across your page and came across your Instagram caption, and they read that you post new tips on your stories every single Monday or every single Wednesday. Now they're going to be reminded of that, and they're going to want to follow you because they want to be able to see the valuable information that you're going to be posting in your Instagram series. And because Instagram stories expire within 24 hours, they're more likely to follow you because they're not able to quickly save the valuable information that you're going to post on your Instagram stories. The third tip to increase your story views is to promote it using your other social media platforms. So if you have TikTok or YouTube or an email list, you want to drive all that traffic and make sure to remind them to watch your Instagram story series to get that valuable information. Now, the second tip on how to grow on Instagram in 2021 is to post Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is the newest feature on Instagram, and is a huge reason why I've been gaining 3,000 to 4,000 followers every single day on Instagram. A lot of people, not just me, have claimed to experience a lot of organic reach using Instagram Reels. I've been posting an Instagram Reel every single day, and you should be doing that too in order to grow on Instagram in 2021. But of course, you need to remember to post high quality content every single day. So if you can't post high quality content every single day, at least be consistent in the number of times you post per week. I have gone viral on Instagram Reels and TikTok so many times I can't even count. I have so many videos that have gotten over 1 million views or 5 million views, and I'm bringing TikTok into this because TikTok is pretty much exactly the same as Instagram Reels. We all know where Instagram Reels came from. I just am the queen of creating viral content, and if you want to learn the viral content formula that I have used, it's all in my TikTok and Instagram courses, so I'll link them down below. If you're interested, go check them out. And I do have a full video on how to use Instagram Reels, and I'll link it over here. Now, the third tip on how to grow on Instagram in 2021 is to post consistent content, also kind of known as defining your niche. Just because you go viral on Instagram Reels doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to gain followers unless you have a well-defined niche. If you've ever experienced a video going viral on Instagram but you don't gain as many followers from that video, and you ask yourself, what did I do wrong? Why didn't I gain followers? That's because you didn't have a well-defined niche. Now, if you're telling me that you have a niche and you didn't gain followers, there's a couple of reasons why that might be so. The first reason is that your niche isn't clear enough to the audience what it exactly is. So if a new person visits your page and they can't tell what kind of content you post within the first 3 seconds of looking at your page, then your niche isn't clear enough. The second reason why your video might go viral and you don't gain followers from it is because it's just not high quality content. Maybe the reason you went viral is because you got a lot of negative comments on your video. This is why you always want to analyze your content. So for example, let's say you're in the fashion niche and you post a lot of fashion videos and fashion photos, and then one day you decide to post you playing video games on your Instagram Reels. Now, if that video goes viral, Now you're probably not going to gain a lot of followers from it because all your other posts are about fashion. So those are the 3 tips on how to grow your Instagram in 2021. Now if you want more Instagram tips, be sure to check out my Instagram and TikTok. Both username is at HeyNicoleWong. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any more questions, please leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply to your comment.